One of the most important feature in the latest iOS 17.3 software update is stolen device protection. This stolen device protection feature on your iPhone can help prevent unauthorized access even if the person knows the passcode. It is an added security measure that uses Face ID or Touch ID and a security delay, so that no one can steal your digital identity. Before that, you must update your iPhone to iOS 17.3 to use the feature. The first thing you need to do is to open the Settings app on your iPhone, and then go to General section. Tap on Software Update, and check if you have the latest version of iOS installed on your device, which is iOS 17.3. Now let's go back to Main Settings page and then scroll down a little bit and find Face ID and Passcode. Tap on it, then enter your passcode to unlock the Settings page. Scroll down and you'll find the Stolen Device Protection section. Stolen Device Protection adds an extra layer of security on your iPhone. What you need to understand is that this only works when you are away from familiar locations such as your home and work. If you wish to enable Stolen Device Protection, then tap on Turn on Protection. This feature will be enabled. From now on, you must verify your identity via Face ID or Touch ID to access certain actions, and you won't have a passcode alternative anymore. It also incorporates time delays for some security-related features. There you go. You've successfully enabled Stolen Device Protection on iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.